전에 주변에서 삼바단 도밀래 엄지 좀 하는 맞아 뭐 커터 당을래 그래서 근데 뭐 삼바단 도밀 삼바 당로 오메캬 하고 하는 거래 유치노 시간 뭐 유초파이노 진데니노 스토파이노 스강와이노 치노 시간 뭐 하고 되노 소알레 이나 치르르르 삼바당로 메캬래 계속 삼바당네 되네 삼바당은 요때 요도 알다 파파타시아나 소모랑이니 계속 삼바당에는 오 싱실레 예 색번에 미부츠 싱세 에이 줄리 ready 이야 주트네 déjà 낭진라 두스군 낭진라 만남 지코니 스타트 주체스는 회 refuge 마단테니 스탐브로니 스타트 주체스는 그 만남 거더니 베스미시 탐지스 감베야 만남 지코니 마단 스타트 주체스는 데우치 피안자다 에 페이지 넘버 장 미루기 페이지 넘버 티모티 양이 저나 카포 만남 거더니 베스미시 탐지스 감보 메다 마단 테크니 스타트 주체스는 이제 정말 나빠탈 만져서 옥시즌 맥네니알레 선바체 레디주스 카탄셀 마실라 세 레디주스 스베라 마고나 타파주스 예스베라 마가딘체 미랑오네 수스베라 마스티에자다 나야레 티오 가딘체 예스베라 마 파바체르지기 툴파에노 집순툴 메툴파에노 코랑 섬진도 코르베는 거스케와닌테노 코랑 코르바네 탈테노테 마자 람스탄치세베 코르베는 거스케와 록스닌테노 마자 미츠슬라테네 샤탁찬 루스테네 zuxi 스케와닌테 마자 람스탄치세베 마자 믹저칸구나 람스탄치세베야 마자 가이츠슬라 용세노 삼세 람스톤 가이츠슬라 용세노 삼세 고마자데야레 야테네 타파초자 소 테네 심셰탐 칠레 닝지고 맞아 심셰탐 닝지 칼레 카시기니 다사 코로나 바이러스 저스테 시스킬레 겨 건족레 카시기니 말세나 걸루세껴 300톤 그래서 나스톤도 욱스텐전 진짜 비디오 요미로 뭐 욱스텐 마냐나 시에노클레 카식테니 호스피탈 놓고 미망포 나빠망포 요자니 테네 테노고 치미 카식 용았나 테네 옥시젠 테 벤틸레이터가 뭐갑 마가 파서 머신 뭐갑 마가 파서 그런 치미 독다 그런 많이 놓죠 그런 송 캄팔록스 송 호시르추스 만조스테나 람주가노클레 테네 즉 자원군 그런 즉 자원이노 그런 즉 손테아다름 루스나 틱토시 이노스테 자원군은 미신 톱테노클레 테이테네 zumorsok po coronavirus yotkangun hospital sonste malsa magaba I ventilator magaba doctor magaba sman magaba lokse khampa sonte ni manitena oxne haze khampa chago shesenokle tene khampa tene sosi ngin trompo yodo te gona zechesen ma hospital songpin mani nen kanji maus hale o ma tene doctor songziru tanga shecheseno somje somje kongala semboshka manokle tene ngata nangpa tsoshigina tampo jin skewa ngachi ngata barosa chono skewa ngan skewa sti ma yodzanokle tene tsamto ngona gewa sakchese just tap chono so stavela maguni poasalano chogatano ngata midenji se chang serka mekya ta choschang mekan skewa ngachi barosa machoka tene tegona jiksanokla te jupeka pura itu yono ta yochi samse tegona tene nijigo masya simchen guna nijigo mazat timira oya tene changme 홍보시스 각자는 놓고래 갖다 쓸 당시 대선 하나만 예 최선한 분이 시키는 데 눈빛을라도 냈으라는래 만남 가다냠 베심산 담제 라마이 상가 치스키 스콜라이스 겹손체오 만남 가다냠 베심산 담제 라마이 로쇼 조스베스 콜라이스 겹손체오 만남 가다냠 베심산 담제 라마이 토제 tulbes kulash gavzunche mainam kadanyam besem shantamje lamai sangya jimbo chelash gavzunche mainam kadanyam besem shantamje Lamai sangya chizgi skulash kapsun che o manam kadanyam besem shantam jet Lamai los cho zos bes skulash kapsun che o manam kadanyam besem shantam jet Lamai tu je tulbe skulash kapsun che o mai naman kadanyam besem shantam je Lamai sangya zimbo che lash kapsun che o mai naman kadanyam besem shantam je Lamai sangya chizgi skulash kapsun che o mai naman kadanyam besem shantam je Lamai lo cho zos bes skulash kapsun che o mai naman kadanyam besem shantam je Lamai tu je tulbe skulash kapsun che o mai naman kadanyam besem shantam je Lamai sangya rimbo che la ash kapsun che o ya jutene testing gurumbu che tsidun sulde bu pianza origin yugi no jam sam zakam te uji pianza page number miru ke de jangi pura insta ka porte de tasangiram no comment do miro comment dizane zu chaqsal tuji che hale jule inna nyampo kaningira un in so watching from Jammu, watching from Delhi, watching from Leh kani justi yodna devchik mola zatteni hale hago chirapaya o kani yudzakan bo yaju tsidin sulde gurumbu chete 7-line prayer to Guru Padma Sambhava Oregen yulegino ja Sambad mai kesar do bola Yan zan chogin me do Nye bad mai jong ne she so da Korado kaindo mambe Skoy ge girje so da do ge Jingi aloy je she so Ngoro bad ma se de Oregan yulegino jan Sam bad mai gesar don bola Yan zan choge me do Nye bad mai jong ne she so da Korado kaindo mambe Skoy ge girje so da do ge Jingi alo je she so Ngoro bad ma se de Oregan yulegino jan Sam bad ma gesar don bola Yan zan chogin me do Nye bad ma jong ne she so da Korado Jingi alo je she so ro padma se de hong ya ju tene testing ne au chik siling ata chi chin o dring au siling le lama gyambo deja masil pina ngata o tene jukpe ga tonskan gune pya mansa sangi siling tingmira lama gyambo lama gyambo namunguru kada chuki ingi longna azigan jimedale o te uchi piyansa de ya ju zikskan mangpo jik jukstera kani rak hale tsamala jule karo juksetna ya ya ju izupo calling the guru from afar solde lama gyambo te uchi piyansa de oh ya namanguru kada jigo ingi alongna Chokpan doji ni changchen chokcha takpa yi shingdo Tesama sangya ski rolpa Chubdoi chikshodo nile Nyame dobo ni kargyo Skaldan mendo langotpe Paldan chokpai yapshas tamja kundus ki shibzi Konke ngawani nolbo solwai ninkong ne devlai Tokje gyang ne razikshe shigyas wangda kinzichi Chena yeshiz ki rubai Migi tatbala zamgi Chenla rangchong do zolwai Dibnis nyopa dandawe Tsongme drupa yis gunjoy Zolwai ninkong ne deblai Tokjir kyang ne razikshe Skushi yeshiz ki ngaldan Yondan kundo iski gongbo Zanjotos bala zamgi Nangwa tamala gyonga Dishi bardo da somdo Reza kerang lai jitbe Solwai ninkong ne deblai Tokje gyang ne razikshe Kizon dos bayi mela Cholna raya lai dangne Sangyas landil do dodbe Sabna dambayi tenzos Dikchay nyalwaro longje Tokje zizkyan do inje zoy Dadami yol do zonde Chingi loka zon do go Jangbe nang yol yin ora Jebzonen dalme do yugay Miri ngirwara nido Shalje nguzon do tongway Tokje yod me larago Kamzomon gorbayi zimjan Malus tarpalang gudbe Gürmeyi dam denyelan Dazong azon do jola Toji zirani nangoy Namji chame zamagoya Deje lo naro manglai Tokje gyang ne razikshin Chinji nika medbe Jeja jima jongla Tokje gyang ne razikshin Tadon lo na mangyur Zendere zedba jenla Tokje gyang ne razikshin Jigdin tewa majo samlo gaya tenla Tokje gyang ne razikshin Tamche topchara songne chedo den za chala tokje kyangne ran zikshin kache nyingri manin deye shen cha chen la tokje kyangne ran zikshin Chikpo rila ma tsui ki jin zhong zhen kyam la tuk je kyang ne ran zik shin gyal vi song rai tes kyan chis gyal los ma tong la tuk je kyang ne ran zik shin Kuzmir gyula mazge doge donyer ken la tokje kyangne ran zikshin Shinje ponye levze cheche den tsamme la tokje kyangne ran zikshin Lasman pajan dasbe nyomo ranga shola tokje kyangne ran zikshin Kamjong ronyo medbe lesga nido jela tokje kyangne ran zikshin Jibzun tambay jela wangji ngabda Nasmarik ben kasban chen boy jan gyoin kembe judo jeje Daloi chizun dovare jingi loje Tanjore nit kashes bar jingi loje Chewa mita ten bare jingi loje Lande lo me go ware jingi loje Korve nimi to bare jingi loje Tarbe payon tong ware jingi loje Yula ended ba med bare jingi loje Norla zonjos bon ware jingi loje Skedo endam ga taware jingi loje Nila gadon taware jingi loje Dala chowa met bare jingi loje Tado erite zim bare jingi loje Chonzin chingwa taware jingi loje Lama sangye son tongware jingi loje Tadguz gyunchan met bare jingi loje Jinza legs bar tongware jingi loje Jason Zadmar Zen Bare Jingi Loje Toye Jidon Des Bare Jingi Loje Teja Shemba Lok Bare Jingi Loje Desme Nang Ne Char Bare Jingi Loje Nangwa Simzo Shes Bare Jingi Loje Semni jiza jare jingi loje Rangze rangon jod bare jingi loje Choba ingso dang bare jingi loje Tajal tawa to bare jingi loje Seje gomla zon bare jingi loje Shonjon should bash kyong ware jingi loje Das boy chis koran tong ware jingi loje Balda lama goncho sumdi ngawa norbo Dokje seishe jingi loje Den choy kerang Da war shoje shoji to do gerang da wor shoji tul go gerang da wor shoji doing going gerang da wor shoji sangyas gerang da wor shoji lama keno lama keno niaju tene testing ngatanya shungwa tangos mana tene shungwa derogation of merit isu monza sangese gusho yaju monza sanges rjetsuma monza sanges tsama shesa no mana ya tene monza sanges tsame 마셔서 그래 피가서 ina English 나 대장 인스티가 당간 때나 English 나 상마야 돼야 근데 트랜스칸 거니 비야 먼저 상계실 제노 déjà 다 같은 코로나 바이러스 just 미만 보 트랜스케 갈래 대상을 병 먼저 상계실 제세노 되네요 다상 트랜스시킬을 격 대상을 병 같은 먼저 상계실 제세노 되니까 트랜스칸 가시게 민글때 남결 릭진 되네나 다시 남결 공이스기 병 먼저 상계실 제세노 되네요 déjà 당카산 자식이 정말 미숨 증간라 어떤 볼리우드 양의숙식 액터식 이르판 칸즈가 이제 뭐좀 설리 콩의 양 페브리친 발에 대장 아주 지주송 제송을 콩마 마 데모스라빈 이르판 칸즈가 보송을 되네 콩의 제대친 퍼포먼스 무비스 건 말데모스라 액팅 건 말데모스라 되네 대장 콩의 캔서용세 콩 트랜스토 송바상 되네 제 마리 총량 할래 콩병숙식 콩나 되네 다사양 지로 리시가 버즈가 트랜스토 할래 다이노 담미타 망부 트랜스토게 참에베라 실고 마타 인타이노 때야래 인나양 지진 콩군이 저스테 마타 투양스 망포송 때노 볼래 소 마타 투양스 망포송 때노 되네 대숙식 다다사 콩은 버드는 거 있게 되네 콩니스가 이노 되네 되는 낭진라 되네 코로나 바이러스 트랜스카 미참식 할래 마타 셰스당 마셰스당 때 참미피아 유숙식 원사상계 세복 숨실잖아 에마오 만자레 상계 나와다야스다 야소이조 도제 젬보당 연도 셈바인 도제 도나라 상계 장세 밤에 걸게걸 디스게 만자레 바도 메바일 데와이 전제 자외 생간들 dakşandina zimbi girmada işkewa jange barma jebaro teroşkene nangde jandon joy desgayda ge molanda bayi çoğu sange jansen damjage kemen rupare jinge alabdoza daya da benzande awan bodana yeso ema manzara sange nawanda staya sojo doje jembodang yondo semba doje donam la sange jansen ba men gorge gor dişge manzara bado me bayin de ay jenje jave jengander dajan de na zimbe girma daş ge wa jenge barma jebaro teroşkene nangde jandon joy desgayda ge malanda bayi çokçu sange jansen damjagi kemen robare jenge labdozol daya da benzande awan boday na yeso ema o manzara sange nangwan dayas daya sojo doje jembodang yondo semba doje donang la sange jansen ba me gorge gor dişge manzara bado met bayin devay janje jave jengande Roshkene nangde shandong shoy desgayda gemol tabayi Chokche sangye jangsen damjage kekmen rupare jinge labdo so daya da benzandi awan bodana yeso ai chode gawa zeje gon zoni zolai jirang dage desum geza ba gonjo somlan chod bambol galve stan ban belgereje gewa semjan gonlango 조건 상겨도 그러지 계좌 탐자 직되대 당신 귤라 민그러지 dimye dane zozode 세레나네 냠동베 젠데 사조 논그러지 나제 셈베 gör마다 엘데와이 잔도스게 그러지 스케나 받네 가제데 르스덴 데라 상게조 장조도네 제제도 엔톨벤도 템버레쇼 일데와이 장게 신가마나이 상갸 오바메 바조 몰람 타벤 종사이 신조데로스게 와레쇼 옴 아미데와 시옴 아미데와 시 옴 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 아미데와 시 야, 다이 개월 뭐지 숨겨 kupchu gurgu 399 때우지 평소야 dedication of merit 개와 마다 shum고서노 다섯지 개와서 수였나 쇼실치스 본 셈션 jamais pes을 때노 되네 개와 뭐지 본 jamais permo서노 할래 jandon chokane jaste jandono janmang panano susong panano jandon chona 되네 jandon tsapik jikochik dubna mane 마음 보지 코 판토사만을 전망 파나마노 소송 대좀지 파나마노 할래 송바 대주시면야 개월 뭐지스 선남한데 담제세관이 domne니스베다나 밤제데 개가 난지 발란주바이 르드벤 졸렌도와 졸버레조 잠발라 바에 제다르겐 바다인 군도 상보대한 대진데 대다 근기 제소 달로진 개원 대다 담제락도 장조 셈조 림보 제마스게스 바나메스게 규레제 스케스 바냠바 metbaya kongne kongdom belware sho ekewa ande yeshkewo kon sona yeshe zozone sona yeshe lejongwe dambas kunye topar sho 예주리 님께 숨기다 있기도 망포송 봤더니 99 플러스 디스턴도 발에 되네 많이 그럼 정말 리플라이 당치스 마송 인 치로 एकदम 리플라이 당치스 마송 인랑 자와다 메시지 미슈 숨주리 조스테 집중 앞주리 조스테 되네 꿀레 미직 뭐보다 정말다 발제가 소식 제때면은 이치 정말 리플라이 당스빈이래 두제시 주스빈 줄리 주건 거는 줄리 주스빈 착살 주건 거는 Julie Juspin, tenia tiwa ikan guna tiwa sapik tanspen hale lan sapik tanspen son basang samata kashi gjet yu na ngos basal yale message mang boson temshigam sama reply parpare tansi shamar se gjet chan hale ya ju tang tansi meditation bujun ya tatus ma bolus miruk meditation bujun yana sama patay kya division bu khong she senok dunbega borazat ta dining suk samba meditation bo 다들 라다스 같은 게 막고 주스는 할래 드링 메디테이션 보양 이가 스타칸 양이 이제 글로마릭 딜리니 가시 용세 티켓 되나 적서양 하다양 가시 양 라다스 마시스 파서 잉글리시 할래 드링 식 동스 조어주로 봐 되고는 드링이 Ц픽 잉글리시나 주니아 Okay, now we're gonna do some meditation. The meditation that we'll be doing is called shamatha meditation. Shamatha. In English, the translation would be calm abiding meditation, and that is the first and foremost meditation that we do, the formal meditation that we do in most branches of Buddhism. At least in our lineage, we do that, And the one that I'm going to teach is the foundational one, the primary one. So, and it's quite simple, you don't have to visualize anything, you don't have to think about anything at all. What you have to do is you need to get like something small like this, like a bindu, focal point where you can just look and concentrate. Something very small, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. This is actually one of the broken malas that I had, like mala like this, it broke, so I just kept it, So get something like this. Maybe you can get like from the kitchen you can get peas, matar. You can get peas, or I don't know, just something small that you can just focus, not something big, smallish, yeah. And that you put in front of you, maybe like a distance of 2 feet, yeah, 2.5 feet in front of you. Put it on the floor. Now the sitting posture, what you can do is like you can use a cushion like this. Yeah, it helps to keep your spine straight, which is the most important aspect of the sitting posture. So you sit, you bottom, you sit on the cushion, which is like, I don't know, a couple of inches. And if you can, you sit with your legs crossed like what do you call it, Padmasana, the Vajra position, like this. If you can sit, the left has to come first and then the right on top. Yeah, in Buddhism it is like that, left first and then the right on top. In other religions, the right is first and then the left is on top. No, in Buddhism the left is first, then the right has to dominate the left one. So you sit in cross-legged position. If you cannot sit in cross-legged position, then what you can do, you can just sit in cross legs, how you usually sit. Or if you have hip or knee problems, you can also sit on a chair. You can sit on a chair, but make sure that your back is straight. That is the most important part. Yeah, your lungs have to be open so that you can breathe freely without exertion. Your hands right on top of left again. Yeah, right always dominates the left. Right on top of the left, and you keep it in your lap. Take care. In your lap. Keep it in your lap. Yeah, relaxed, back straight. Okay, lungs open. Your head is to be slightly tilted. So the head balances nicely on your shoulders. Otherwise, if you keep your head straight, it'll go backwards. The center of gravity is askewed. So for the center of gravity to distribute, along your spine, your body, your head should be slightly bent, a little bit, thoda sa. So keep your head slightly bent, and your eyes should be half open, half shut. You cannot. What can I say? You should not shut your eyes. Your eyes have to be half shut. Yeah, and your gaze. You have to gaze at the bindu that you put in front of you. Not too close, not too far. Maybe like 2 feet, 2.5 feet in front of you on the floor. It has to be visible. Now the technique is very simple. You just breathe. Usually, breathe normally without exertion from your nose as well as your mouth. So the mouth has to be slightly open. Your gaze have to be at the bindu, and then that's it. Your mind, you should not think of anything. You should not visualize about anything. If any thoughts arise, immediately cut the thought and bring your attention on the focal point where your eyes are gazing. So you use your eyes as a medium through which your mind concentrates. Your mind sees, your mind rests on this bindu. That is the main point. Your eyes are just a medium. That is why the eyes should never be shut. And if you can, prevent yourself from blinking your eyes. Initially it's a bit difficult, but later on you'll get used to it. So try not to blink. Body has to be absolutely still, and we're going to do it for 10 minutes. That's it. But the thing is, like, initially the 10 minutes will feel like an hour. So you need to be patient, yeah? So I'm going to start the timer. Yeah, sama ready le. Timer but start chat sama the much jux sama to gusino. Yeah, ju the dun beka zix. Just gaze at the bindu. Just gaze at it and you let your mind rest through your gaze on the bindu in front of you. That's it. Your mind will wander, will go somewhere else, bring it back. Again, focus on the rest your mind on the focal point. Body absolutely straight. I've started the timer already. Only 10 minutes. This is not Vipassana, this is Shamatha. Eyes should not shut. Half shut. If you shut your eyes, you won't be able to focus on the bindu in front of you. And you may also fall asleep. If you keep your eyes wide open, you'll be distracted. Through the gaze of your eyes, your mind will rest on the bindu in front of you. Your mind will wander in about 5 to 10 seconds. When it wanders, you have to realize it and you have to bring it back. Gom tsang me nang ne formal meditation nang ne tsang me sang gom tang po no. Gom goma no tsang me sang goma. Don't think of anything. Your mind will naturally wander. Bring it back. Any thoughts arise? Cut it. Don't observe your thoughts. This is not Vipassana. This is not Lakton. This is Shine. The purpose is to calm your mind. And you can't calm your mind if you keep observing your thoughts. That will come later. Once you're acquainted with this technique. Much later. It's very simple. Simple to learn, but challenging to master. Sangme chozate. Shket pakata jux. Chang chenrezi gongoshes mekyak. Dolma gongoshes mekyak. Dün beka yutkani diwishing buchun beka. Mikposta se dukchano. Mikmanitsum chamano. Nyan na tsamtu nyan mikmatsuma bor. Ma piruma podana tseksitsumna diano. Tene sembokan tewa chamachuk. Sekin shanga tukjina chanok tewa. Songse na loska. Sambab shkemachuk. Bring your thoughts back always. Don't let them wander. It won't take more than 5 to 10 seconds for your thoughts to wander. Bring it back. It's like an untrained dog. You need to domesticate it with the rope of your mindfulness. Be mindful about your thoughts, where it's going, and bring it back. Then just rest your mind. through your gaze onto the bindu in front of you. Very simple. Simina samba kurma chuge. Sim samba zagan ba ekdam chano. Minir shangar chongora, second shangar chongora mano. Yan looks kyo. Inega stachis. Chang simina kormi chukchis. Da samba mi tangchis. Diringi samba mi tangchis. Tori chishin hala sanji samba mi tangchis. Zara chisos, honzana chisa chisin samba mi tangchis. Zume skola samba mi tangchis. Gyalchis skola samba mi tangchis. Simba chap inega borchis mani chang mi kya. Be absolutely still. Physically, don't move your body. Try not to blink. Resist blinking as much as possible. Only blink when it's absolutely necessary. Keep your eyes half shut. Gaze at the bindu in front of you. Rest your mind through your gaze. After a few sessions, your mind will be so calm. It will abide in calmness. All your thoughts will cease. The more you get used to it, the more you meditate shamatha, the more your mind becomes restful, tranquil, gentle. Keep your back absolutely straight. Keep your lungs open. Ignore any noise you're hearing from outside, from inside. There's no need to concentrate on anything. Just need to gaze. Rest your mind through the gaze onto the small bindu, the size of a pea, in front of you. Rest your mind on that. That is your support. Support for the mind to rest. Platform for the mind to rest through the medium of your gaze. Sambachang makura. Shten, dunitin, shten bo. Duishing bika, sambabarchano. so many thoughts will arise in your mind. As soon as you realize, cut it. Okay. 10 minutes. So now your eyes may hurt because you try to keep it open, and if it does, what you do, you just rub the bottom of your palms, make it warm, and then you just, once it's warm, you just cover your eyes. Whether you're old, whether you're young, whether you're busy, whether you're a student, whether you're an adult, doesn't matter. Everyone has a mind. And unless someone is proficient in meditation, our minds are usually quite restless. We have lots of thoughts arising involuntarily, without any control. We think that we are independent, but we are not actually. We are not independent. We are the slaves of our mind, of our desires, because our mind is accustomed to negative emotions. Our mind is accustomed to countless rebirths of negativity, negative energy, negative emotions. So that is why most of the things that arise in our mind spontaneously are negative. We have to change that. We have to get used to calmness. We have to get used to compassion. We have to get used to love. We have to get used to patience. We have to get used to forgiveness, And all these qualities will arise easily if your mind is rested. If your mind is always engulfed in negative emotions, stained by desire, anger, it's very difficult to do the opposite, which is compassion and patience and, the good qualities. So we're just trying to train our mind to make some space here. When you meditate, after some time, for some of you maybe this is your first time, but after a few sessions, after a few days, what you will feel, physically you will feel this openness of your chest. You will feel openness in your body. You will feel your mind getting expanded, yet calm at the same time. This expansion and calm will happen spontaneously. Then you become relaxed. Things stop bothering you so much. Small things that used to bother you stop bothering you anymore. Your mind is calm, relaxed. Even if you try to think of something negative, it's difficult. It in the same way that right now it takes effort to think of something positive like compassion or love or patience. After you've meditated for some time, it'll become difficult to think of something negative, because your mind will be accustomed to calmness, gentle. You're actually going deeper. You're going to deeper and deeper into your inner self, which is full of illumination, which isn't stained by anger, attachment, jealousy, ego. It is free from all that. It is only on the surface that we feel that we are angry people, that people are bad people, that we feel attached, upset, that we feel restless. It's only the surface. We're trying to go deep into the ocean. Yeah, just like at the ocean, the surface of the ocean might be turbulent because of wind, because of storm, because of currents. But at the depth of the ocean, it's undisturbed by the turbulence of the surface. So the nature of our mind is undisturbed. It has never been disturbed. It is still not disturbed, and it will never be disturbed by negative emotions. But on the surface, yes, we will feel that we're being disturbed. That's why we're trying to access that inner part of ourselves. That, that inner part, the true nature of ourselves. Yeah, and it's not easy. And that will only happen when you have openness, when you are gentle, when you are calm, when you are patient, when you have compassion. It will not happen if you're angry, if you're full of desire, if you're full of attachment. It will not happen, because your mind will be too egoistic. Your mind will be too focused on what I want, and what I don't want. It will not look at the bigger picture. It will not it will enslave your mind, as it enslaves us right now. But we have to get free from this slavery. And we can only do this by taming your mind slowly and slowly. It's like a dog. You can't train a dog overnight. It takes a few days to train a dog, Sometime, I don't know, a few days, a few weeks. So it takes time and effort to tame a dog. In the same way, it will take more than that to tame your mind. And a dog is a physical phenomena. A dog is an animal. You can bribe a dog. You can bribe a dog by feeding him something and making him do something. If you want to shake hands or if you want him to sit or whatever. But the mind is not a physical phenomena. You can feel the mind. You know that there is something called the mind, but you can't pinpoint. It is a mystery. It exists, yet it doesn't exist. You feel it, but you can't prove it. So that's why it's very difficult to tame the mind, because it's like the wind, How do you tame the wind? You can't. So, well, you can tame the mind, but it takes effort, It takes a lot of effort, and it won't happen overnight. So we're going to do one more session. I will end this because the timer is, there's only 1 minute remaining. On Instagram, you're only allowed to do live streaming for 1 hour. After that, you have to end and restart. So I'm